Hello and welcome to Quality Wilson RV in beautiful Hot Springs, Arkansas. Today we're going to talk to you about a 2022 Montana High Country fifth wheel. Are you looking for the perfect towable, the perfect fifth wheel? Well, you have just found it. Look no further. We have multiple slides. We're going to walk past. This is a 2-bedroom with an extra bunk room. We're going to see that inside. It's actually a phenomenal fifth wheel. It's one of the largest fifth wheels I've ever actually seen the inside of. And it's very nicely laid out. It has lots of storage, a spacious master, plenty of headroom for a fifth wheel. As you know, sometimes those fifth wheels could be tough on the noggin. Not this one. This one is very spacious. Plenty of room to stand up, turn around, get ready. You have a nice, spacious master, as I was saying. You have a second bedroom for your guest, or if you have those teenagers that like their own space, you've got the second bedroom for that. You want your grandchildren to have their own room, got you a second bedroom for your grandkids. Your own dog, your cat, whatever it is that you have that needs the second bedroom. Well, this fifth wheel, this is the one for you. It has 2 bedrooms, beautiful gourmet kitchen, spacious inside. It's lovely outside. It's been well maintained, and it's got a beautiful paint job. It's in lovely condition, and it is located at 1239 Central Avenue here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. That's where you will find this 2022 Montana High Country. We're going to go inside and take a look around, and you're going to see what all you get inside of this beautiful fifth wheel. All right, we're about to go inside this Montana High Country, and we're going to see what she looks like on the inside. Told you it's quite the beauty with 2 bedrooms. Plenty of headroom in the fifth wheel with a king-size bed. It comfortably sleeps 10. That's right, 10. All right, as you enter the door, you can see the second bedroom is straight ahead of us. We'll go in, we'll look at it. It's a very nice second bedroom. Privacy for guests. Plenty of storage. We know how important these recreational vehicles and their storage is. You have a nice little desk here. Obviously we can use for a TV. You could use for a computer. This could be your office if you want to just make this your home. This could be your office. This second bedroom could serve as an office. It doesn't just have to be a bedroom. It has many purposes. We're going to go towards the kitchen. Going to give that beauty a look. As you see this Montana High Country, the living space itself is beautiful. This has been a very well maintained fifth wheel. You have the middle island kitchen, which I personally love. You have this nice stainless steel sink with the faucet we need with the low flow choices. All the cabinet space in this kitchen. This is just, you need storage. The island has lots of extra storage. Then we have our gas stove. We have an oven, our beautiful oven, a fireplace. Look at our entertainment center here, guys. Isn't that a beauty? And can you just imagine sitting here in your recliners after a long day out on the lake, just relaxing, watching your favorite movie, whatever it is that you choose to do inside your Montana high country. You have this lovely full-size couch that converts to a bed. We have our stainless steel appliances, stainless steel microwave, stainless steel oven. We have our dining table here. Seating for 4 just at the table. This is a nice dining room table. Comes with the straps to strap everything in place as you travel. We have more storage here in the kitchen, guys. I mean, you want a fifth wheel with storage, room, for your family, for your travel, this is the one for you. Look at the pantry. I mean, look at all that room in there. We have the double door fridge. It is secured in place, so as you travel, you do not have to worry about it. We do not have it turned on right now, but it works perfectly. You have the lower freezer, which I actually love these. Now let's just take a tour around. Let's go up towards the master. We've seen the beautiful living area space. You see how spacious it is? I'm at the dining table. See how far and how much room you have in this fifth wheel? This is a beauty. Anyone would be lucky to take this home. As we pass the second bedroom here, that can either be your bedroom, your office, whatever you choose. We also will go up the stairs and we will see to the left as we go towards the master. We have this nice bunk area for the kiddos. So your kiddos, grandkiddos, whoever you choose, they can just crawl right on up there and they have a spot to sleep to. Then we're gonna go towards the master. We're gonna turn the lights on and then we're gonna give it a peek-see. Now, like I told you, this master is spacious. It is a king-size bed. It has a large TV. As you can see, it is quite lovely. Very spacious. You have your windows, your blackout shades. You have your full-size mirror. And what about this, y'all? Look at the closet. Is that not amazing? Girls, I'm just saying, we have been talking about closet space. This gives you more closet space than my closet at home. And, well, I found me another recreational vehicle I'm going to buy. Like I said, I can't buy them all, but I would like to. This is a beautiful fifth wheel. That closet alone, but look behind the door. What do we have here? Washer dryer. This is a fifth wheel for traveling, everyday living. You just are tired of the hustle and bustle of every day and you want to downsize. For my house, this really wouldn't be much of a downsize. This is actually very spacious, lots of room, lots of storage. You have these big, deep drawers. You have these big, deep drawers. This dresser. Nice. TV. And if we look back towards the entrance door, you can see right here is the bathroom. We're going to take a peek at it. As you can see, it has this amazing door that just offers more room to move in and out. We have nice, clean bathroom here. Lots deep cabinet space. Look at the shower, girls and guys. This is a phenomenal shower. It is huge. Let's just see. Y'all know me, I like to get in there and sit down and see what we're working with. Yep, bigger than my shower at home. When you have a small master and you go in these RVs and their master showers are bigger than yours, you get a little envious. I'm not gonna lie. This is a perfect fifth wheel for you to live in, for everyday use, for RV life, for travel. You want to take it to the lake. You just want to go out. We have this nice medicine cabinet. We have more storage here. How important storage is in RVs. And then we have the door that is space saving, a space saving door. The way it opens leaves room so you do not bump walls, you do not scratch up your beautiful fifth wheel. Come on down, Quality Wheels and RV in beautiful Hot Springs, Arkansas. Tell them you saw this video on Facebook and that you want to purchase the 2022 Montana High Country fifth wheel. This is a steal of a deal and a beautiful fifth wheel. You will not be disappointed in this choice, this purchase, or this recreational vehicle. We look forward to seeing you. Have a great day. You can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens you.